Hello everyone! Today I'm opening with you and trying for the very first time a cool little fidget slider. I purchased it based solely on how it looked and the function I saw in a short video. Only later did I found out that it's actually a clone of KOVO Feel, their floating light slider, if I'm not mistaken, it's called, but not made of plastic, made of stainless steel, and I really liked the outer design, the waves kind of design. So I will open it with you and try it for the very first time, and we'll see what's going on. So. Okay, so I picked it up with the slider itself. Different balls and springs. You can adjust and customize the game to your likings. This is the slider itself. Really like the design. So let's open it and see how it is. The slider name, by the way, is I think pronounced in Chinese XUANLV or XUANLV. Sorry, my Chinese is practically non-existent. But anyway, let's go. So, beautiful, beautiful design. I really liked it. I don't know, something about it. Really enjoyed me. So, all the sides. So, let's try it with you for the very first time and see how it is. Super nice. Can easily make it one by one. Quite nice machining and nice weight, as I always love. The main reason I bought it because it looked to me like two solid pieces of steel, and it seems to me I was quite right. Let's see. I fucking hate doing stuff like that, but I will try for you. So, this is the inside. Seems exactly like the KOVO Feel. Excuse me, but I'm not going to do much, just pretty much showing it to you because I'm scared shitless to lose everything by doing this. So I'm just going to snap it back together slowly. Cool thing, held only by magnets, no screws. That's awesome. The fact that I could just open it and change the insides how I like. Probably after doing it quite a few times, you probably can do it pretty fast if you have different situations that you want to customize this slider to. This is the stock customization. This is the stock option. It comes like this, as you know. Very, very nice. I know. Excellent hand feel. Very affordable. For a stainless steel slider of this quality, I would say. Extremely cheap. Like, I don't think it cost me more than, I think the exact price is like $31 I paid for it. But again, I am quite a serious collector of fidgets, and I have an inside guy in China, so my prices are a bit different. But you know, everyone do what he likes. I'm just playing with the graphics on it. It's very nice when you turn it like that. Never mind. So the XUANLV slider, as I said, copy of the KOVO Feel. Feels extremely high quality. I'm not kidding you. Like, if I gave it to you and told you it was like 50, 60, $70 fidget, you would probably believe it. I would too. And really, really nice graphics. I love the way motif, and you can see there's a seems to me like a musical note here at the end. I know it's not, but it looks nice. And this pattern that probably has a name, but I'm not aware of it. So very, very nice. So, just as I always do, put it back here, put a little zoom on it. So this has been the XUANLV slider first opening and review. As always, I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you for watching and going on this trip with me, on this journey, as I call it. I'm sorry I was away for a while, but I was dealing with personal hardships. So thank you for bearing with me. I appreciate you all and have a great day. Bye.